What's up, squad? It's your boy ATM and welcome to the reaction channel. How y'all doing? I hope all y'all doing good. Before we get started off with this video, you should know what to do. Hit the like button, also subscribe. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's grow together. Let's get there. But what I got for you guys is amazing wild animal encounters. Let's get straight into the video. Let's go. Yo. Oh.
Now that was too close for
For
comfort.
real. I seen the Zil grabbed her in the water. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
That is crazy. Yo.
Right.
Oh my gosh. Polar bear?
Печенюшки-то как хрумкает, ну. Это правильно тебе, да. Нос холодный у него? Такой. Не как у собаки, да?
Ну это, слышь, на улице-то не тепло, блин.
Nah, that bear's gonna always know to come back for some food.
Ему мяса надо килограммов 5. Смотри, ему тут печенюшка.
Yo, that's crazy. What is that? Is that a buffalo? Oh no! Yo! Yo! Yo!
Attention in the water.
What is that?
In the water. This is the Orange County Sheriff's Department. Be advised, State Parks is asking us to make an announcement to let you know you are paddleboarding next to approximately 15 great white sharks
15 great white sharks?
in a calm manner. The sharks are as close as the surf line. Thank you for your cooperation.
That is crazy.
Oh my god!
What? What is that?
It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. I'll stop.
What is that?
It's okay, put it down. No, don't go over there. Don't go in front of it. It might freak out. That's amazing. Alright, you go that way.
Oh, so, y'all let me know down in the comment section down below. I can't think of it right now.
Oh
That's
my
tough.
I can't hit my ball.
god. He's hugging Matt's golf ball. He's eating your golf ball right now.
Matt, good shot. You're on the green, buddy. Let's go. Hey, we need that back.
What the heck is that? It looks like a alligator, crocodile, one or the other. Y'all let me know down in the comments. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's a. Oh, what is that called? I can't think of it right now for some reason. Oh. Oh. Is that a shark? That's a shark. Yo, how is this amazing? What? What? People are about to die.
I'm happy to not even compete ever again. Like, seriously, like to walk away from that, I'm just so stoked. And oh man, oh.
Oh my gosh. Ain't no way. Did he just pop his tires? Oh my goodness. What the heck is that? That's a big stingray, looks like. That thing is huge.
Be still. I told you to be still. If you drop it again, just leave it on the ground.
That little kid and those antlers?
Don't move. Don't move. Back up one step slowly. Now stick your hand out with your other bread. No, no. Stick your other hand out with your bread. Okay, now just hold it out as far as you can. Now don't move.
Good job.
Ethan, be still slowly. Stick it out further so he doesn't nibble your fingers.
Good job.
Okay, now.
Yeah, he's biting his arm.
Dang.
They're fighting for territory rights now. Ow! Where?
Yo, these alligators are crazy.
Holy cow, look at that. You think he's out?
No, but that's what he's gonna try to do. Watch.
This dude is really close. Ain't no way.
Whoa, whoa.
Do you know how fast those things are? Those things are quick.
He can barely stand up.
I wouldn't say that.
Tooth snapped right off. Man, that thing is huge.
Oh my gosh, that was crazy. But yo, if you guys like that reaction, my commentary as well, drop a like on this video. Let me know down in the comment section down below what other videos you'd like for me to react to. Oh my gosh, 45 million views in this video. But yo, tune in, never tune out. It's your boy ATM, and I'm signing out. I'll catch you guys in the next reaction that I do. Deuces.